Good morning students and welcome to online physical science class of St. Michael's Academy. So today my discussion topic is atomic structure of some important elements. First I am starting with the structure of an atom. Our current model of the atom can be broken down into these constituents. These three constituent parts, that is protons, neutron and electrons. Each of these parts has an associated charge, with protons carrying a positive charge, electrons having a negative charge and neutrons possessing no net charge. That means neutrons are neutral. Now see this structure carefully. This is nucleus where protons and neutrons are there. Protons are carrying positive charge and neutrons are neutral. And these are the orbit around this nucleus where electrons are rotating and electrons are carrying negative charge. First, I am starting with hydrogen and helium. This is atomic structure of hydrogen atom where 1 proton, 0 neutron and 1 electron is present. This is 1 proton, that means in nucleus, within nucleus only 1 proton is present. And this is electron which is rotating through the orbit. No neutron is present within the nucleus of hydrogen. And this is the structure of helium atom where 2 protons, 2 red colored protons, this is 2 neutrons, yellow color, and 2 electrons are present. 2 electrons, that's why they are in the first orbit only. Next one, lithium and beryllium. So lithium, this is lithium atomic structure where 3 protons, you can see 4 neutrons, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 neutrons are present within the nucleus and 3 electrons are present. 3 electrons, 1, 2 and 3. So more than 2 electrons, that's why in the second orbit 1 electron is there. Now the next one, this one is beryllium. Atomic structure of beryllium. You just see 4 electrons are present. That means 4 protons are also present. Because in any atom, number of electron is equal to number of proton. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 neutrons are present within the nucleus. Next one is boron and carbon. This is boron atomic structure, 5 protons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 neutrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 neutrons and 5 electrons are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is carbon atomic structure where 6 electrons are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 protons are also present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, a 3-dimensional structure has been shown. That's why only 4 protons can be shown. But actually, there are 6 protons. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 neutrons are present. Now, the next one is nitrogen and oxygen. So, this is nitrogen atomic structure. 7 protons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 neutrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 7 electrons are present. 1, 2 and in the second orbit 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 7 electrons. And this is oxygen structure where 8 electrons are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. and 8 protons and 8 neutrons. See, blue color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 protons and green colors are neutrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 neutrons are present. And the last one is fluorine and neon. This is the atomic structure of fluorine, where 9 protons, 9 electrons and 10 neutrons are present. You see, yellow color 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 protons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 9 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here the last structure of neon. You know, helium and neon are the inert gases. See, 10 protons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 neutrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 electrons are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know you had a lots of doubts about the atomic structures of these elements, especially the actual number of neutrons present in their nucleus. That's why I have discussed the diagrams of the atomic structures of these elements from your syllabus. So now please draw the atomic structures in your physical science exercise book. For subject related doubts or queries, please email me at sudeshna1.sma@outlook.com. We also welcome your responses by way of your views and feedback on the PPTs or videos at feedback.stmichaelsacademy@gmail.com. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.